All right, our topic is functions. So let's look at a definition of a function. A function is a relation, and remember that a relation is just simply a set of ordered pairs, where each x value has only one value. Or you could say each input, which is your x, has only one output, which is your y. So that's your definition of function. Now let's take a look at what that looks like with numbers. So the first set of relations that we're going to look at are written in mapping form. So we took the ordered pairs and we mapped them. Once we mapped them, we put the x values in order from least to greatest. We put the y values in order from least to greatest. And then, of course, we drew our arrows to show the pairs that were the ordered pairs that we were given in the relation. Now, when I'm looking to see if this relation is a function, I'm looking at my x values. I notice that the -3 goes with the -4. The -2 goes with 0. -1 goes with 2. 0 goes with -3. 1 goes with 2. So this is a function. Each x value has only one y value. Let's look at number 2. Again, we took our relation, our set of ordered pairs, and we mapped them. Now we're going to check to see if this is a function. So I have -4 goes to -2 and -1. So my x value has two y values. That means no, it is not a function. And the reason that it is not a function is because of ordered pair -4, -2, and -4, -1. So anytime your answer is no, you need to list the ordered pairs that make it not a function. All right, here we have a list of two relations. We're going to check to see if this relation is a function. So I'm looking at a 0, I'm looking at a 5, and I'm looking at the 7s. So all of the x values are different, which means yes, this is a function. Now I'm going to look at this relation. I'm going to look at the -4, the -1, the -4, and the +1. And you notice that I have two x values that match. So no, this is not a function because of -4, 1, and -4, 3. Now we're going to take a look at some functions that we're going to use to find the value. The first function that we're going to use is going to be this f function. So this f function is 2x minus 6. So what we're going to do right now is find the value of this function when x is 2. So we're going to write f of x, and we're going to put the 2 in place of the x. So the first thing that we're going to do is write our function. So the f function is equal to 2x minus 6. Now we're going to go ahead and find the value of the function when x is 2. So every place that I see x, I'm going to substitute in a 2. I'm going to go ahead and use my PEMDAS to solve. So I'm going to have 4 minus 6. When do I subtract? Never. What do I do instead? I keep the 4, I change the subtraction to addition, and change the +6 to a -6. So now I have 4 plus -6. What do I have more of? I have more negatives. How many more do I have? I have 2. So the value of the function when x is 2, the function's value is -2. I can also write that as an ordered pair, 2, -2. All right, now let's take a look at what is the value of the function when x is h plus 9. So I'm going to write the function f of x is equal to 2x minus 6. F of h plus 9 is equal to 2 times h plus 9 minus 6. So notice that everywhere there was an x, I put in the value of x that was given to me. So now I'm going to go ahead and rainbow. So 2h plus 18 minus 6, 2h plus, when do I subtract? Never. What do I do instead? Keep, change, change. So positive 18 and negative 6 leaves me with positive 12. Clean up that 6 there. Okay. All right. So now I have the value of the function when x is h plus 9 is going to be 2h plus 12. So that would be my value. Let me box this over here. I don't have an ordered pair to write because I wasn't given a number value for x. All right, let's look at another function. What happens if we're working with the g function? The g function is x minus 2x squared. So I'm going to go ahead and write my formula, or my function. G of x is x minus 2x squared. Now I'm going to find the value of the function when x is 4y. So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put in 4y minus 2 times 4y squared. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to square 4y, which means I'm going to put that square on the 4 and I'm going to put the square on the y, which is going to give me 16y squared. So this is going to be 4y minus 2 times 16y squared. When do I subtract? Never. What do I do instead? Keep, change, change. So I'm going to do 4y plus negative 32y squared. Now, when I have two variables with exponents, the largest exponent term is going to be written first. Negative 32y squared plus 4y is the value of the function when x is 4y. And now you know how to work with functions.